set 3.1. So in 3.1, the first question, which of the following sequences are AP, and if they are AP, you have to find the common difference. So we'll work out two more problems based on that. You have got the seventh problem, practice set 3.1, seventh problem. So in the seventh problem, what we have got is, you have got 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So this you have to determine whether it is an AP, and if it is an AP, you have to find the common difference. So as you have done in the previous problems, find out what is the difference between T2 and T1. So you have got the terms T1, T2, T3, all the terms are given. So T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So you have given this. Now first we will find out what is T2 minus T1. So that is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So this gets cancelled, you are getting it as a root 2. Then we will find out T3 minus T2, which is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, in the bracket you will get 3 plus root 2, opening the bracket you will get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So this gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is a root 2. So here also you have got D as common difference as a root 2. There also you have got as root 2. So here you have got the same common difference. So therefore you can write the given sequence is an AP. Since the common difference is constant, the given sequence is an AP. So like this you have to find out the common difference and find out whether it is an AP. Now we have got the second question, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. So you have to write the AP when the first term and the common difference is given. Second question. So here A is given as 10 and D is given as 5. So you have to write the AP. So that to write the AP, you know A is equal to T1. The first term is also represented as T1, which is equal to 10. Then T2 is given by T1 plus the common difference. So that will be equal to 10 plus common difference is 5, which is equal to 15. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 what you have got 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20. So now you can write, therefore the AP is, what was the first term? 10, second term is 15, third term is 20, then just put 3 dots. That means the AP is having a common difference of D, D which is equal to 5. Second one, A is given as minus 3 and D is given as 0. So T1 is equal to A, which is equal to minus 3. T2 is T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. It is minus 3 plus 0. Again you are getting it as minus 3. So therefore the AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, then put 3 dots. So in the third problem you have got A is equal to minus 7 and D is equal to 1 upon T. So T1 is equal to A, which is equal to 7 itself. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to, A is minus 7 plus 1 upon 2. So cross multiplying you will get this as minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 upon 3, which is equal to minus 13 upon, so here it is 2, 13 upon 2. Then you have got T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 13 upon 2 plus d is 1 upon 2. So denominators are same. Simplify the numerator. Minus 13 plus 1 is equal to minus 12 upon 2, which is equal to minus 6. Now next you have got T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is minus 6 plus 1 upon 2. So here cross multiplying you will get minus 12 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 11 upon 2. Therefore the AP is, first term is minus 7, second term minus 13 upon 2, minus 6, minus 11 upon 2, then put 3. About the sixth problem, where A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. So here you have got T1 which is equal to A, which is equal to minus 19. So T2 is equal to A plus, sorry, T1 plus, when if you write here also there is no problem, A plus D, T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 19 plus D is minus 4. So you get minus 19 minus 4, which is equal to minus 23. T3 is T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 plus of minus 4. Plus into minus is minus, minus 23 minus 24 or minus 23 minus 4 is equal to minus 27. So therefore the AP is minus 19 minus 23 minus 27. So like this you have to write the AP when the first term and the common difference is given. The third one, find the first term and common difference for each of the given AP. The second one, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5. So this is the given AP. You have to find the first term and the common difference. So first term P1, or you can also write it as A, is equal to 0.6. Now you have to find out what is the common difference. So to find the common difference, you have to find out common difference is equal to T2 minus T1, which is 0.9 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.3. Now you find out T3 minus T2. T3 is 1.2 minus 0.9, so which is equal to again 0.3. So now therefore you have to write first term A is equal to 0.6 and common difference is equal to 0.3. So like this you have to write the first term and the common difference. The fourth one, you have got 1.4, 3.4, 5.4, 7.4. So here A is equal to 1 upon 4. Common difference is T2 minus T1, which is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Denominators are same, directly add the subtract the numerator. So you get 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. T3 minus T2, it is 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. So therefore first term A is equal to 1 upon 4, common difference is equal to 1 upon 2. So like this, find out the first term and common difference.